everyone, today I would like to present a research entitled Student Perception and Challenge in Using YouTube to Improve Speaking in English Learning by Givari and Senshani 2025 from Universitas Negeri Semarang. This study focuses on how YouTube is used as a learning media to improve English speaking skills, especially in terms of students' experience, perception, and challenge. Now, let's move to the introduction. In the current digital era, technology plays a very important role in education. Almost all students now have access to the internet, which provides various learning research that can be used anytime and anywhere. One of the most popular platforms is YouTube. YouTube is widely used because it provides videos that are easy to access, interesting, and also suitable for learning language skills, especially speaking. Compared to traditional learning methods, YouTube gives students more exposure to real language used through videos of native speakers. Next, I will explain the background of this study. Speaking is one of the most important skills in learning English because it is directly related to communication. However, based on many studies, students often face difficulties in speaking, especially in pronunciation, fluency, and confidence when speaking English. Because of this problem, YouTube becomes an alternative learning media. It provides authentic material such as conversation, interview, and daily expression from native speakers, which helps students learn more naturally. After this, let's move to the research objective. The objective of this study are three main points. First, to explore students' perception about using YouTube English learning. Second, to identify the challenge that students face when using YouTube. And third, to analyze how YouTube can help improve student speaking skills, especially fluency and pronunciation. Next, I will explain the methodology used. This research uses a qualitative descriptive method. This method is used to describe and understand student experience in depth. The participants of this study are university students in Indonesia. To collect the data, the research used open-ended questionnaires and interviews. This method were chosen because they allow students to express their opinions and experience more freely and deeply. Now, let's continue to the findings of the study. The findings of this study show that YouTube has several positive impacts on students' speaking skills. First, it helps students improve their pronunciation because they can listen directly to native speakers. Second, it improves fluency because students can practice by imitating their speakers in the videos. Third, it helps students learn new vocabulary in a more contextual way. In addition, students also feel more motivated because learning through video is more interesting and not boring. However, this study also found some challenges. Although YouTube is helpful, there are some challenges experienced by students. The first is internet connection problem, which can interrupt the learning process. The second is technical issue, such as device or application problem. Another important challenge is direction. Since YouTube contains many types of video, students sometimes get distracted and watch non-educational content instead of focusing on learning. Next, let's discuss the overall finding. Discussion. From the discussion, it can be concluded that YouTube is an effective learning media for improving English speaking skills. More students respond positively because YouTube provides real, authentic language input that is easy to understand and follow. However, this study also emphasizes that YouTube alone is not enough. Teacher guidance is still important to help students stay focused and use YouTube effectively for learning purposes. Finally, let's move to the conclusion. In conclusion, YouTube plays an important role in supporting student speaking skill improvement, especially in pronunciation and French. It also makes learning more flexible, enjoyable, and accessible for students outside the classroom. However, despite its benefits, there are still some challenges such as internet issues and distraction that need to be managed properly. And now, here is the reference used in this study. Reference: the reference of this study is Givari, Sensiani 2025, Universitas Negeri Semarang. Thank you for your attention. That is all from my presentation.